Today I'll be writing a program, and the program will ask me to use an array list to manage students' program certificates. I'm required to create a student class to store the names on the certificates, and I should write a test code to input the information below and print out the names of the students who have a specific certificate. So here's the data, and here's a sample input. So today I'll be using an array list and a hash map. Go ahead and get straight into it. First thing I want to do is create my class called student. So public so I'm a student. The only thing I need is only fields I need are a name of string data type and a certificate of strings also. Then I'm gonna have my constructor. So student I'm just gonna take two parameters, one for the name and one for the certificate. I'm gonna say string name string certificate. Then now assign the values of the parameters to the to the fields. Then I'm just gonna have two access methods. So public string get name. Same thing for the certificate. And here this is doing this because I can make these constants. Then now, firstly I'm going to do is I'm going to use a array list. So over here, we'll go ahead, I have my imports already. We'll go ahead and create an array list of student. I'm going to call it list equal new array list. Then now, I'm going to create 5 objects for these students. So student 1 equal new student and their certificate. Then I'm just gonna copy this 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change this to 2, 3, 4, 5. Then first we have Henry Ben, and Ava. Then we have Jane and Emma. Jane, Emma. First certificate is Java, Python, and C++. So Java, Python, C++, then we have Java again and Python. Then now I'm gonna add all of these objects to the array. So we'll go ahead and say list that add student 1 what am I doing wrong? Spell student incorrectly. Oh, what's the issue? Oh, I need my main class. Put all this inside main. There we have it. Then I can just copy this 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. Then no. Go ahead and create my scanner object. The scanner to accept inputs. Scanner input equal new scanner, and the argument is system dot in. Then we'll prompt the user. I'm gonna say certificate question mark. And underneath this we're gonna say create a string cert equal to input that next line. Then now we can go through the list. I go through the area list and check and find which certificate the students have. So first, so we're gonna use a for loop. Student item. So for each item, the student item in the list, we want to check if the item, which is an object, and call the get certificate method, that equals whatever the user entered cert. If that is true, then we want to print out the name. So item dot get name, and that should be it. Let's go ahead and test it. So here we have it. We're prompting the certificate, so we know Henry and Jane have Java certificates, so we're gonna say Java, and then we have Henry and Jane. Let's try Python for Ben and Emma. We're gonna begin. We're gonna type in Python, and then we have Ben and Emma. Now we're gonna use a hash map in this program. So I'm go ahead and create my main method. Then I'm gonna create my hash map, which I've already imported. It's a hash map. I'm gonna use a integer and a student as the value. I'm gonna call this list2 equal new hash map. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing this. Let's change it to a string. Yeah, okay, good. Now I'm just gonna copy this out of my student objects because I don't want to tie them over again. Okay. Then now we're gonna add them to the hash map. To do that, we say list.put, and we're using a string. So I say 1, comma student1. Then we're just going to duplicate this 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, change the key to 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, then change the objects, student objects to 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then now, we're gonna go ahead and create another scanner object called input again, equal new scanner system.in. Then I'm gonna prompt the user to enter a certificate. Capital C. Then create a string called cert equal input that next line. Then now we can loop to our hash map with a for each method. Again, then have a key, and the value, now if the value equals the value that get certificate that equals cert, this is true, then we want to go ahead and print out the value that get name. Go ahead and run this, and we're going to try Python again, and we should get Ben and Emma. Let's turn duplicate. Where's the duplicate? Ignore it. So Python. There we have it. Ben and Emma. I'm going to try Java again. Henry and Jane. That's it.